Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to publish Google Sheet to the web public link. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Sheet over here. So Google Sheet is a beautiful option which is from Google, so you can collect the data and make a database. I have my student attendance over here, so I just want to make this one as a public link so that students can able to see and view. So how to publish this one? So simple and easiest step. So this is a students attendance tracker over here. So I just go to file menu. So there will be a share option, so just go to share option and publish to web is there. So just hit the button publish to web, automatically it will create a link over here. So the entire document, it should be in a publish, so it should be a embed or link. I just want to make a link, just click here to publish. Yes, Google Docs, are you sure you want to publish? Yes, okay. So automatically it will create a web link over here. So I just want to copy the link and I just want to paste in an address box of my Google Chrome. Automatically the display will be happen over here. So Google Sheet link, so that this is the web link you can share through the WhatsApp or email, so that parents can able to view, they cannot able to edit, so you can able to give them the public link so that parents can able to see the live attendance tracker. So wherever you edit over here, automatically it will reflect. For example, I just add some Ernest is in present in a Tuesday and Wednesday, automatically it will add. So within a click of publish and refresh means automatically it will give a publish options over here. So this is a simple and easiest way to publish your entire documents over here. Yes, so if you want to download this one as a web page, just go to file menu and download, and web page is there. So just hit the button web page, automatically it will download into your download as you see here. So students attendance zip, so that if you open the zip file, it will open like a sheet with the Chrome option, so that you can share this link also, they can able to view as you see here. So this is a simple and easiest way you can give as a download as a web page or publish as a link. So both the things you can happen in the Google Sheet. Use this option to publish your Google Sheet and you can share with your employees or students or parents so that they can able to view and without editing. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.